Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. We're out at Chipping Sodbury and I've just bought this little radio controlled car for £1.50. The reason I bought it is it's one of those single channel ones that goes forwards and then turns in reverse, but I rather like this little controller. That's the forwards button and that's the backwards button, but you twist it for it to go in reverse. The car itself is a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, 1/32 scale, Rastar Group, 27 megahertz. I've put batteries in it. I just thought I'd give it a little try in the car park here, see what the range is like. So if we can avoid being run over, I'll put my hat camera on and watch it go. It seems to have quite a good range, to be honest. Oh, that's it. That's the range. It's just stopped. Yeah, gonna have to move a little bit. Yeah, that's the distance. Yeah, well, it works. So forwards and backwards on the motor, and when it goes backwards this little wheel slops around so it turns. So the front wheels don't actually touch the ground, it's just this one. Yeah, I like these single channel radio control. I like the minimalist approach. Got a few nice little detail bits, like you can't open the battery compartment without turning it off on the controller and on the car. Yeah, fun little toy.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.